Grace.
And I'm Jose.
And we're from Clover Sonoma. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make homemade butter.
But first, let's speak a little bit about Clover itself. Like, did you know that the Clover brand has actually been around for over 100 years? And we are a third generation family-owned company that is in cooperation with over 30 family farms.
And did you know Clover was the first dairy company in the U.S. to become American Humane Certified? We're also proud to be a B Corp certified.
But now, let's get back to the butter.
Let's do it. So of course, Clover makes our very own butter that you can buy in store. But honestly, it's a lot more fun to make your own.
Yes, it is.
So today, in order to make our homemade butter, all you need is some Clover heavy whipping cream, a jar, and a little bit of salt. Let's get started.
All right. So, the first thing that we're gonna do is open up the jars. All right. We're gonna open one of these whipping creams. Then we're gonna pour about a quarter, which is like right up to here. So you want to see real quick, it's like right there. You see? Perfect. Now close the lid. We're just gonna
Playing catch up here. I know.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
And then now we just shake it up.
Here we go.
Shake, shake, shake.
Hey, guess what?
What?
A butter that's on a winning streak, it's on a roll. I know. Funny.
Somewhat. Did you know that my brother once threw a butter stick at me? How dare he?
I don't know. That silly butter trick was funny, but it definitely wasn't worth melting for.
That's a good one.
Wow. We're still going here.
It's a workout. You just gotta keep on shaking.
You know, switch that arm. Still going.
Oh man. Okay, now.
Alrighty, let's take a look.
Oh, look at that. We got some whipped cream.
We need a little longer to make that butter though.
Oh yeah.
Should we add a little salt?
I mean, you could if you want. I'm gonna leave mine.
Okay, I'm gonna do
unsalted.
mine.
Go for it. It tastes great either way.
Alrighty.
And shake. You gotta put it close to your ear so you can hear it. You gotta make sure you can hear it once. As soon as you hear it going, that's
Really?
when you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Hearing anything?
Well, we're close.
Okay. Okay.
Yep, I hear it now.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, okay.
So you ready? I think hers is done. So let's check it out. It looks like, oh yeah, you can see the separation.
Look at that.
So all that liquid right there, that is buttermilk. You can literally use that to make your pancakes in the morning. Tastes delicious. And boom. Look at that nice little
Yay!
butter ball. That's what you want.
We're gonna spread it on some nice Delafatoria bread. Oh my goodness.
Can't wait to
That-
sample some of that. Oh,
This looks amazing.
you ready? Cheers.